Hey everyone, this is Abel in Vegas, and it is time for another Sprezza box. So this is the March 2019 Sprezza box. Comes to you directly in the mail. So this one for March of 2019, it's called the Yorkville. It says, what an all-star cast of patterns and products we have in store for you. We've combined both class and functionality to make sure you're on your A game. So we have an IB tie. We have some Sprezza socks. We have a to-go brand DOP kit. I wonder what that is. We have some Benkai cufflinks and some collar stays. So let's take a look. We have some Frey, the best detergent ever. Alright. Alright, so here is the tie. So it's like a brownish gold with some hints of blue and white dots. So that's not bad. It's not bad at all. I like it. Then for the socks, we have kind of like a brown pattern. Okay. Then this is the to-go brand Premium Care Company. Oh, cool. So this is the DOP kit. Well, yeah. So I guess it's a bag for toiletries. So that's pretty cool. Yep. Sweet. Going to the National. I'll put all my toiletries in there. Kind of a bummer. They included something that came in a glass enclosure, and somehow in shipping that broke. So I don't know if you could see here. So that's a bummer. Let's take a look at these real quick. So these are the cufflinks. I do not have a cufflink shirt, but nonetheless, that's where you get Sprezza box, because now I could go out and get myself a cufflink shirt. So it looks like the glass enclosure had the shirt collar. So these are for your collar, so they stay nice and straight. So it looks like they were inside the glass enclosure. So I'll clean that up and use just the other ones. So anyway, that's the Sprezza box for May of 2019. Sorry, for May. Oh my gosh, I'm 2 months ahead now. For March of 2019. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching and have a good one.